Hi everyone. Today is the final revision for Model 1 Algebra second term. Number 1. Find the numerical value of the expression 3ab plus 8a divided 4b when a equals 4 and b equals negative 2. I want to find the numerical value where a equals 4 and b equals negative 2. Then equal 3 still 3. A with brackets and b brackets plus a with brackets divided 4 and then with brackets. Instead of a, put what? A equals 4, then put 4 here. 3ab and then b. B equals what? Negative 2, then put here negative 2. Plus 8. A equals what? 4, then write here 4. Divided 4b. Instead of b, write negative 2. Again, here 3ab means 3 times 8 times b, then 3 times 4 times negative 2. Plus 8a means 8 times 4, divided 4b means 4 times negative 2. Equals, I have only term here plus and here divide. I have 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. First term, 3 times 4 times negative 2. Positive times negative equal negative. 2 times 4, yes, equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. Put plus 4 times 8 equals 32. Divide 4 times negative 2. Positive times negative equal negative. 2 times 4 equals 8. Again, first, put the value of a and b. Instead of its a and b, put 4, negative 2. Instead of a, write 4. Instead of b, write negative 2. Find the value for each term alone. Here, first term negative 24, and second term 32, and third term is negative 8. Here I have plus and divide. Make what first? Divide or addition. I will first make division. Do you remember order operation? First, brackets, and then divide and times, and then plus or minus. Start from divide, then equal negative 24 plus 32 divided negative 8. Positive divided negative equal negative. 32 divided 8 equals 4. And then negative 24 plus negative 4. Negative and negative equal negative. Negative 24 plus negative 4 equals negative 28. Here, number 2, find an irrational number distribution set of 3x plus 1 equals 25. I want to find the distribution set for 3x plus 1 equals 25. First, 3x plus 1 equals 25. I want x alone, then plus 1 will move to opposite sign by opposite operation will be 3x equal 25 plus 1 will be minus 1. Here, again 3x plus 1 equal 25 plus 1 will move, will be minus 1, then 3x equal 25 minus 1. Then 3x equal 25 minus 1 equals 24. And then 3x equal 24. I want x alone, then 3 will move by opposite operation. Here 3x means 3 times x, then will be divided 3. Then x equal 24 divided 3 or over 3. Then x equals 8. 24 divided 3 equals 8. Belong to rational number? Yes, belong to rational number. And then the solution set equals the set of 8. Find the rational number distribution set of 2x plus 5 less than 16. 2x plus 5 less than 16. To find solution set, I want to find x alone. First, plus 5 will move by opposite sign. Will be 2x less than 16 minus 5. Then 2x less than 16 minus 5 equals what? Yes, equals 11. And then I want x, then 2x means 2 times x. Then 2 will move by opposite sign will be x less than 11 divided 2 or over 2. Then x less than 11 over 2. I want to find solution set where x belongs to rational number. then solution set equal the set of x where the x belong to rational number and the x less than 11 over 2. The solution set in the description method, not listing method like the equation here. In the inequality, we put solution set in what in description method x where the x belong to a rational number and the x less than 11 over 2. Means in rational number less than 11 over 2 belong to solution set. Find the value of 8 times a power negative 3 over 8 power negative 4. 8 times a power negative 3 over 8 power negative 4. First in the numerator up, I have 8, the same base and put 8. Here power 1 and here power negative 3 times and plus then 1 plus negative 3 over 8 power negative 4 equals. Up here 8. 1 plus negative 3 equals what? Equals negative 2. 1 plus negative 3 equals negative 2 over 8 power negative 4. I have 8 the same base and put 8 and this is divided then minus negative 2 minus negative 4. Negative 2 minus negative 4. Minus and negative will be plus, then negative 2 plus 4 will be 2. Then equal 8 power 2 equals 64. 8 power negative 2 minus negative 4 will be negative 2 plus 4 equals 2. Then 8 power 2 equals 64. Here find the value of the expression negative 1 over 3 all to the power 2 plus square root of 64 over 81 minus 3 over 7 all to the power 0 equal negative 1 over 3 all to the power 2. Here negative and power is even, cancel negative sign. 1 power 2 will be 1, 3 power 2 equals 9 plus square root for 64 over 81. 64 is 8 and 81 is what? 9. Square root for 64 over 81 equals 8 over 9 minus 3 over 7 all to the power 0 equals 1. Yes, any number power 0 equals 1 except 0. Equals 1 over 9 plus 8 over 9 equals what? Yes, equals 9 over 9 minus 1. 9 over 9 equals 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal, yes, equal 0. Again, negative 1 over 0 to the power 2 equals 1 over 9 plus square root 4 64 over 81 equals 8 over 9 minus 3 over 7 all to the power 0 equals 1. 1 over 9 plus 8 over 9 equals 9 over 9 equals 1. Minus what? Minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Find the rational number solution set of 2x plus 15 less than 19. Then 2x plus 15 less than 19. First, move 15 to other side by positive operation will be 2x less than 19. Here, plus 15 will be minus 15. Then 2x less than 19 minus 15 equals 4. And then I want x alone, then move 2 to other side by opposite operation will be divided. Then in x less than 4 divided 2 or over 2. Then in x less than 4 divided 2 equals 2. Then solution set. This is what inequality. Then all rational number less than 2 belong to solution set. Then put them in what? In description method. Solution set x where x belongs to rational number and the x less than 2. Here solution set equals the set of x where x belongs to rational number, x belongs to rational number and the x less than 2. Means any rational number less than 2 belongs to the solution set. And then if x equals negative 1 over 2 and then y equals negative 3 over 4. Find the simplest form of y over x power 2 all to the power negative 2. First I have y over x power 2 all to the power negative 2. Y over x power 2 all to the power negative 2 equals what? Equals x power 2 over y all to the power 2 equals what? Brackets power 2, and x power 2 over y means x power 2 divided y. Equals, open bracket, x power 2 means negative 1 over 2, all to the power 2, divided, all divided, y means negative 3 over 4, all to the power 2. Clear? Equals, open bracket, negative 1 over 2, all to the power 2 equals what? Cancel negative, power is even, 1 power 2 equals 1, over 2 power 2 equals 4, divided. Negative 3 over 4, divided becomes times. Divided becomes times, and then reciprocal. Negative 3 over 4 will be 4 over negative 3, all to the power 2. Again, here negative 1 over 2 all to the power 2 equal 1 over 4. Divided will be times, and negative 3 over 4 will be 4 over negative 3. And then simplify. Divided 4 equals 1, divided 4 equals 1. Equal 1 times 1, 1 times negative 3, all to the power 2. Power here is what? Even or odd? Yes, even, then cancel negative. Then 1 over 3 all to the power 2 equals, 1 power 2 equals 1, and 3 power 2 equals 9. Then equals what? Equals 1 over 9. Then the simplest form for y over x power 2 all to the power negative 2 equals 1 over 9. Move to another one. If x equals negative 3 over 2, and then y equals 1 over 2, and z negative 4 over 3. Find the numerical value of letter A, x power 2, y power 2, z power 2. Equals, instead of x, put what? Instead of x here, put what? Put negative 3 over 2, then negative 3 over 2, all to the power 2, times x power 2, y power 2, z power 2 means x power 2 times y power 2 times z power 2. Times y power 2 means 1 over 2, all power 2, times z power 2, but negative 4 over 3, all to the power 2. Equals, negative 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2, all to the power 2, cancel negative, power is even, and becomes 9 over 4, times 1 over 2 to the power 2 equals 1 over 4, 1 power 2 equals 1, 2 power 2 equals 4, times negative 4 over 3 all to the power 2. Here power is even, cancel negative, 4 power 2 equals 16 over 3 power 2 equals 9. And then simplify. Cancel 9 with 9, 4 times 4 is 16 with 16, equals 1. Then x power 2, y power 2, z power 2 equals what? Equals 1. Letter B, x power 2 divided z power 2 equals. X power 2 means negative 3 over 2 all to the power 2. Divided, right? Divided. Z power 2 means negative 4 over 3 all to the power 2. I want to find the value. First, equal, negative, cancel, power is even, will be 9 over 4. Divided becomes times. And here cancel, negative. Divide first. Cancel negative, 4 power 2 equals 16, and 3 power 2 equals 9. I want to find the value, then equal 9 over 4 times, divided become times, and then reciprocal will be 9 over 16. Here, and then, is there any numbers to simplify? No. Then times 9 times 9 equals 81, and 4 times 16, 4 times 6 equals 24, 4 up to 1 times 4, 4 and 2 equals 6, then 81 over 64. Let us see, x power 2 minus y z power 2 equals, x power 2 means negative 3 over 2 all to the power 2, negative 3 over 2 all to the power 2, minus y times z power 2, y 1 over 2 times z power 2 negative 4 over 3 all to the power 2. Negative 3 over 2 all to the power 2, here minus, I have two terms. Negative, cancel, power is even, 3 over 2 all to the power 2 will be 9 over 4. Minus but minus. Here cancel negative, 4 power 2, here half still half, times 4 power 2 equals 16 over 3 power 2 equals 9. equals 9 over 4. The first term will be 9 over 4 minus 1 over 2 times 16 over 9. Simplify, divided 2 equals 1, divided 2 equals 8. Then equal minus 8 over 9. And then find the result by using calculator or by using steps. Here 49 will be 36. And 9 times 9, 81. Minus 4 times 9 equals 32. Equal to 36 in the denominator. 1 minus 2 can't be, will be 7. And here will be 11. 11 minus 2 equals 9. And 7 minus 3 equal 4. Then the value will be 49 over 36. I can put it in the what? Yes, in the power form will be 7 power 2, and here 6 power 2 equals 7 over 6, all to the power 2. Clear? Goodbye.